Hello, it's Tuesday the 9th. I'm FxPlew and this is a bitterly cold market brief this morning. It's only half a degree in Surrey. Now, where the Bank of England has raised interest rates to help bring inflation down, the MPC remains heavily reliant on external effects on energy and food prices as well. And as we've seen increased chatter about rate cuts coming soon, there are also those who believe the Bank of England may not be able to cut rates while the risk remains of another energy price shock if the wars in either Ukraine or Gaza were to escalate. Indeed, any such price shock would disrupt the Bank of England plan, and it would also restrict the government's ability to lower taxes either before or after the election, leaving both of the main parties to rethink promises made recently. Mortgage rates and other borrowing costs have started to come down slightly in anticipation of a rate cut, but that optimism is beginning to fade, helped by opposition accusations that the government is making empty promises to fool the electorate. But given the purported independence of the Bank of England, do you still think we may see a Q1 rate cut? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, please. Over in the US, divisions are developing over the economic outlook. The mainstream view, of course, is that a soft landing is on the cards. The Fed has raised rates enough to bring inflation down while avoiding driving the economy into a recession. Meanwhile, the contrarian view remains concerned by the index of leading indicators and by the yield curve inversion, suggesting the recession risk remains. Where rate hikes are designed to dampen demand and slow the economy, Q3 GDP was 4.9%, suggesting that despite the rate hikes, economic performance has remained solid. However, with the lag in the rate hikes taking effect, it's unlikely that Q4 data will be so strong, and the drop here may bring that recession risk back into focus once again. In the market, sterling looks to be trending higher, closing higher across the last 4 trading sessions. Yesterday we peaked around 127.65 against the dollar, and the dollar index slipped to about 102.05 on the day. We kick off this morning from around 127.45 against the dollar, 116.30 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 109.60 on the open. That's it from me. I'm going to dash back to the warm. Toodaloo.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.